Deep beneath the ocean, a mother octopus finds a safe cave. She gently lays hundreds of delicate eggs, attaching each one carefully to the rock. This marks the beginning of an extraordinary journey. For months, she never leaves her nest. She cleans every egg and gently fans fresh water over them, dedicating all her strength to protecting her babies. At last, the eggs hatch. Tiny octopuses begin their lives in the vast ocean. Every new cell begins with the cell cycle. During interphase, the cell grows, copies its DNA, and prepares for division. This is the longest stage of the cell cycle. Next comes mitosis. In prophase, chromosomes become visible. During metaphase, they line up perfectly in the center, ready to separate equally. In anaphase, sister chromatids move apart. During telophase, new nuclei form. Finally, cytokinesis into two genetically identical daughter cells, completing the process. Welcome inside an animal cell, the basic unit of life. The cell membrane protects it, cytoplasm fills the inside, and the nucleus controls every activity. Ribosomes build proteins. The endoplasmic reticulum transports materials. The Golgi apparatus packages them, and mitochondria generate the energy that powers the cell. The jellyfish life cycle begins when sperm and egg unite. The fertilized egg into a free-swimming planula larva, which soon settles onto a hard surface beneath the sea. The attached larva changes into a feeding polyp. As it matures, the polyp forms a strobila, a stack of developing young jellyfish, ready to begin independent life. Each tiny ephora grows larger with time, transforming into a beautiful adult jellyfish. The mature jellyfish reproduces, beginning the life cycle once again. Did you know an octopus has 9 brains, 1 in its head and 1 in each of its 8 arms, which means an arm can taste, react, and think, even after it's separated from the body? Our blood is red because it runs on iron. But octopus blood is blue. It uses copper instead, in a protein called hemocyanin. That copper-based blood helps them survive in cold, low-oxygen deep water, nature's clever upgrade. So next time someone says use your head, an octopus might ask, which one? The mosquito life cycle begins when a female lays eggs on still water, called wigglers, which feed on microorganisms and breathe at the water's surface. After several molts, the larva becomes a pupa. This resting stage does not feed, but inside, the mosquito is transforming into an adult. Once its wings dry, the adult mosquito flies away. The complete life cycle has 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult, ready to begin the cycle again. Honey begins with flowers. Worker bees collect sweet nectar using their long tongues and store it in a special honey stomach before flying back to the hive. Inside the hive, bees add natural enzymes to the nectar. These enzymes break down complex sugars, while the bees repeatedly pass the nectar between each other. By fanning their wings, bees remove extra water until the nectar becomes thick honey. Finally, they seal each honeycomb cell with wax to keep the honey fresh.
Rice, please.
Somewhere in the deep ocean, something is watching you, with an eye the size of a dinner plate. At nearly 11 inches wide, it's the largest eye in the entire animal kingdom, bigger than a human head. In total darkness, that massive eye can catch the faintest flicker of light, like a sperm whale approaching from far away. Nature built it a warning system. That glowing light luring you in? It's not even the fish's own glow. It's alive. Anglerfish host colonies of bioluminescent bacteria inside their lure. The fish feeds and shelters them, and in return, they light the way to its next meal. It's one of nature's oldest partnerships, a fish and bacteria, working together in the dark, so neither one has to survive alone.